Most people get this wrong. They think financial apps are just for tracking spending or moving money around. Prime Reserve in 2026 proves it can do so much more, turning your phone into a personal finance assistant that actually helps your money grow. Prime Reserve is designed for goal-based saving and smart account management. You can set multiple goals like an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt, and the app automatically allocates your funds based on priority and timing. The surprising truth is that small, consistent contributions, guided by automation, often outperform manual saving strategies. One of the standout features is predictive savings. Prime Reserve analyzes your income, recurring expenses, and spending habits, then recommends how much to set aside weekly or monthly. Most people underestimate how helpful this is. Avoiding overspending before it happens can dramatically improve your financial stability. The app also integrates with your bank accounts and credit cards, providing real-time updates on balances, transactions, and even upcoming bills. It sends alerts if spending is trending higher than usual and visualizes progress toward each financial goal. These features aren't just convenient, they reinforce positive habits and make budgeting less stressful. Security is a priority. Prime Reserve uses bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication. Your funds remain in your own accounts, so the app never holds your money directly. Customer support is responsive by chat and email, making assistance easy when needed. Limitations: Prime Reserve doesn't provide full-scale banking services or investment options. You'll still need external accounts for storing or growing funds. But for anyone who wants to save smarter, reduce financial stress, and stay on top of goals, this app is worth considering. So, is Prime Reserve worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially if you want a hands-off, automated approach to managing and growing your money. Subscribe for more reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.